Hey girlfriends, I'm back. What's up? It's your girl CurlyBae and I'm back with you again with another video. Now, if this is your first time coming to my channel, don't go ahead and play yourself. Subscribe as well as click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever we have new videos, and you can be part of the CurlFriend family too. A few weeks back, I was thinking about how I could provide value for you guys. I want to be able to stick with videos within my brand. In a sense, I'm sort of rebranding, but not really. It's still going to be about hair, it's still going to be about skin, it's still going to be about social media. What I decided to do is ask you guys what you want. So I came up with the idea of CurlyBae Q&A. Here we go! CurlyBae Q&A is where you guys get to ask the questions. You guys control my channel. So if you guys are interested in this, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And let go. So I have my first question that I got off of Facebook actually. It is anonymous, so I can't reveal the name, but hey girl, I see you. Thank you for being a faithful curl friend. I was told that I have high porosity hair. I'm not sure exactly what that means. Having high porosity hair isn't a bad thing. You just need to know how to deal with it. Porosity is the ability of your hair to be able to retain moisture. So with people with high porosity hair, if you look at the cuticle of your strands, it actually is wide open, meaning that moisture can just kind of flow through the hair. It's just not retaining. There's no sealant to actually seal the moisture, and there's different ways that you can deal with it. Girlfriend, you know, we got the hacks. You may have gotten high porosity hair from many different ways. It could be either from sun damage, it could be from harsh chemicals in your hair, or it could just be genetics. How can you tell if you have high porosity hair? I have two different tests that are tried and true. So the first test is if you take a strand of hair. Oh my God, it broke off. Just take a clean strand and you take your fingers and you run it up. It feels a little jagged. Ah! Yes, my hair is definitely high porosity. It is. Another way is to do the clean strand water test. So what you do is you take a glass of room temperature water, take a clean strand or a few clean strands of hair, and you drop it into the water and let it sit there for about 2 minutes. If it sinks all the way to the bottom, that means that you have high porosity hair. If it floats to the top, then you have low porosity hair. But low porosity is not this video, so if it sinks to the bottom, keep watching. If it stays to the top, wait for the next video. And if it stays in the middle, then you have normal, which is great, girlfriend. You have healthy hair. So let's go ahead and address high porosity hair and how you can fix it. So because the pores are open, there are a few ways that you can fix it. So number one is that you can use thicker, more moisturizing products, and I would say one of my favorite ones are TGIN. It's very thick and it just kind of clogs up your cuticles. It makes it more smooth. Another thing too, you would want to try protective styles, not to keep manipulating it. So I would say twists or braids or anything like that with your natural hair. It doesn't have to be with weave. I would suggest not using weave because I feel like weave definitely draws out the moisture of your hair. But if you just want to do like twists, anything that's going to clump your hair together, because with the strands you need to make it stronger. So once you have moisturized it, just twist it up and leave it be. Another thing is lots of protein treatments. You want to do one at least once a month, and that will be able to help your hair flourish as well, and you'll notice that your hair will be super shiny and stronger and it wouldn't break off as easy. And so as well as use lots of, you can use sealants. So I have this sealant from Aunt Jackie and it's called Seal It Up, the hydrating sealing butter. I love it. I use it with all of my moisturizers. I make sure that I moisturize my hair first, and this is the last product that I put on so that I can seal my strands and my hair comes out beautifully. You need to be able to know how your hair likes to receive its moisture. And I always say the best form of moisture is water. Water is the best way to moisturize your hair. You're going to wet your hair first, never style your hair dry. Add your product, which would be your cream, and then you would put a sealant, which can be a heavy oil like avocado oil or a coconut oil, whatever your hair likes best, or you could just use a sealant. My hair likes sealants better than oils, especially in the summertime, because summertime my skin definitely breaks out a lot more. Finally, make sure you keep your ends trimmed. It's been a while since I've trimmed my hair, and honestly this summer I haven't been the best to my hair. I literally have not even been detangling it like I should. So do as I say, not as I do. That's pretty much just the rundown on high porosity hair. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comment box below. I'll make sure to answer it in the next video. So this is a two-part video, so stay tuned and watch out for my low porosity hair video and how you can take care of your low porosity hair. If you guys have any other tips on high porosity hair, I'd love to hear it. Is there any hacks that I don't know about? Leave it down in the comment box below and maybe you might be the next comment winner. And speaking of which, congratulations! Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're almost at 1,000, so tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Help a sister out. And in return, hopefully you get some value out of my videos. And remember to dream big, take chances, and never stop learning. We are CurlyBae. Besos!